Hello guys. ECat here, just playing a nice game of Mince Raft. But anyway, so I'm sorry about the pre-recorded intro, but the way my videos work is me and my friends record a big chunk of stuff, and then we split it into episodes. So quite often I have to do pre-recorded intros. Well, I will have to. And in case you're wondering about how I know about the Mince Raft when this is just edited text, it does exist. I had off a mumbo jumbo video last night. I do recommend watching his channel, but not before you watch mine. And anyway, we'll jump back where we left off. Episode 1 to episode 2.
How much wool do you have, Kit?
1.
I have 1 as well, so can I have that wool?
No, if I can find another, then yeah. You guys just go and spawn during our base. You want to team up on it.
Killed it.
Why'd you hit me?
No, it was an accident.
You still hit me.
I'm trying to kill a skeleton, but
You still hit me though.
Guys, stop arguing. Yeah, I mean, I have done this run with no stuff. Well, I have done the thing of having no stuff and being pursued by monsters to get to a base before. So.
Wait guys, can't it just be daytime already?
And can I just say, viewers, because this is re-recorded and a vibrant visual here, then none, and then I'll have vibrant visuals again. And as you might know from my KSP vids, I have a stammer. Do not question it. Oh, and I'm fighting off.
To be honest,
a
guys,
scam.
I'm actually pretty funny sometimes. I love how he's just rapping the whole time. That, and that.
Right.
I just comboed a creeper into a hole. Yay! Then I was quiet and saying yay, like yay.
Great. All my wood is gone.
Oh yeah, don't ask why.
Yeah, I know why. 'Cause you stole it again. I've told you before. Stop stealing my wood.
No. Why is there not on my resource point? Also, nobody get my stuff. Get my stuff. I will personally assassinate you in the later episodes.
Yeah, well, you're gonna have to wait a few because this is a re-recording. Bruh.
Not really. I could just kill you like in episode 2. Yo, which episode is this? Cause like
This is episode 1, bro.
I thought it was
I think. This should.
How long have we got to film for just to get episodes 1, 2, and 3?
I don't know. I think we just film for a while and then I'll just split it up.
Okay.
That's what you usually do.
I've got a good question for you guys. What's your favorite category of music? Not viewers. I don't mean the viewers.
Yeah, I'd probably say like EDM.
I'm so confused. Since when did you like EDM? Let me just say, I'm gonna say this. My favorite is 100% funk.
Cool. Can I have some food, please?
Yo, who took my stuff?
Well, I haven't touched your stuff.
the stuff fell down.
FIRENINJA.
The stuff fell down the hole.
Your stuff fell down where? My pickaxe!
I don't have a sword. All my meat.
I don't have my pinky.
ECat.
I haven't touched your stuff.
In your inventory.
I have 2 planks. Oh, here's string. I didn't realise.
I had a sword as well.
I also have a stone sword which I crafted, and I can tell because it's hard been used. Stone pickaxe, some leaf litter, a torch, some doors, 60 stone, two first. I crafted doors, bro.
The game doors.
No, I meant I crafted oak doors.
Rush is not made out of oak.
I never said he was. I crafted these, okay?
Those are doors.
Yeah, I know.
You did not make doors.
Now I'm confused. Did you not make? Sure. Did I not make the physical doors or the game doors? Because you got me confused.
Viewers, I don't know what's happening.
Can I have some food,
Where's my
please?
mutton? I have 5 mutton on me.
It's in the chest. And also, can I have this is Minecraft, and plus,
ECat, do you want £10?
how do you mean?
£10. Do you want £10?
Kinda, yeah.
You do, or you don't?
I do, but
1, 2, 3, 4.
oh
5,
my
6,
god,
7, 8.
I haven't had time to set my spawn point.
You said you wanted £10.
Not like that. Do you have to take every single thing I say that literally?
Yes. I swear. Why did FIRENINJA leave? FIRENINJA.
He's got bad Wi-Fi. Remember? Can you add the skibbity guy, please?
No. They'll kick me out.
Okay, then. Okay, alright, I've run him.
Okay,
Hello.
Back, my Wi-Fi just cut out.
That's what I was saying. I know you have rubbish I know you have rubbish Wi-Fi.
That's what I call
Wi-Fi.
Free whip. Oh my god, a creeper's after me.
Right, I'm just filtering out my stuff and your stuff. Because some of those you have there was mine.
There's a rat in my kitchen.
Okay. Bro, I got a bow. But if I used it once, it would break.
And what's the use in it?
Right, I've got my
Me.
Hold on. Oh, and in case you're wondering, there is no you. And in case you're wondering, what I was trying to say was that there is no use.
Right, what were you saying, Harrison?
I have hold on that, but I will let it fly.
All right, guys, my bed is blue. Right, now I'm going weighing up to get some food. Also, how do you make a smoker? Ah, logs. Well, that'll be easy.
Nice, man. Why do you commentate everything?
Because I want to.
It's kind of annoying sometimes. That might be a few of the reasons why I've killed you.
Okay. Skibbity. Oh, and did you know that if you are caught existing, you will be arrested for having life? Oh, and
That's
also,
okay. Sometimes that just gets really old.
yeah, but we said it. Yeah, but we said it in the last one, so I want to say it in this one too.
Don't ask why. I'm just carrying.
Why
Sorry,
are you
Fireninja.
copying finance? Well, asking, okay?
Why?
Really?
Why? Why? My base idea.
Are you doing copyright?
Mate, chill. Well, it was a fist. He hits me twice with the stone sword.
Bruh. Although to be fair, that did happen once, except I think it was a titanium sword.
Oh my god. The viewers don't even know about titanium yet.
Yeah, I know. Well, it was a okay, it was a different sword, okay? I was struck. Yeah, well,
Sorry, Fireninja.
have you ever heard of heard of editing
Of course I
videos?
have.
Okay, then act like it.
How about I just say no?
Being chilly.
It's a bit done. Big late.
Bruh.
Let's go get some cherry wood.
Yeah, I'm using oak.
Give me some cherry. Yo, I see another sheep. Who
Cool.
wants to get a bed?
Bro, I have a bed.
I
I see
need
two
it.
sheep.
Can you make me a bed? Because I need a bed.
Okay,
Alright, how
so
much wool do you have?
2.
I got 2 as well.
What am I gonna do?
I just KO'd a cow.
Well done, you KO'd. Yeah, that looks good.
now I have some. Now I just ate an entire roast chicken. I can't change the recording.
I could just do a voiceover.
But I don't want to.
Hello.
Say hello to my little skibbity. I don't care.
Yeah, that's just not my problem.
I never said it was. Come here, pit.
You do realize I'm trying to help you, right?
Huh?
You do realize I'm trying to help you, right?
How?
Oh my god.
Are you trying to help by not making any sense?
Oh my god.
Yeah, I'm making myself an axe. I
I should
thought,
make yourself a lot more like a dingo.
bruh.
It's your, my home feels cozy.
Skibbity.
Poppy cat.
Okay. Alright. Bruh. Why do I keep losing my X? Oh, because it's the locate K to bar. I like the locate K to bar. Yes.
By the way,
really.
viewers, locator bar and other stuff with the new update are going to be here in these episodes, like 1, 2, and 3, and then not in the rest.
Until it gets updated.
Yo, an Enderman just came into my base and then just left with with my bed.
Bruh.
Okay, I brought it back.
Good
Not like
for
killing the Enderman, but like making another one.
good for cheese burgers. They taste nice. They taste yummy.
You say just like do not make sense at all.
Thank you, bro. We're re-recording.
Are you doing a short recording?
Remember that I just do a long chunk and then split it into multiple bits. Alright, so that is all I've got time for today. I would do more, but well, I mean, I say got time for today. I can just edit the next video today, but still, next video come out soon. This is ECat signing off.